In the last decades, a new sensibility has been born that pushes more and more people to take care of the environment and of themselves, stimulating them to the consumption of foods obtained with natural cultivation methods. The biological techniques, until a few years ago reserved for professional farmers, are now applicable by anyone practicing gardening, horticulture, and fruit growing. Wants to make a change in their choices with a view to greater closeness to nature. The Organic Garden answers the most frequent questions of those who approach for the first time the issues of gardening, offering effective support to make the cultivation practices sustainable in every sense. Organic gardening is one of the hobbies that most people would love to try. We introduce to you Vegetable and Organic Garden Guide. What will you learn in this guide? Basic principle. Multivariate hedges. The hedges of Benjes. Evaluation and preparation of the land. Fertilization and fertilizers. Soils and self-production of compost. The choice of essences. The use of spontaneous and native plants with ornamental value. Natural methods to remove pests and cure pinnate. The most adequate irrigation systems with low water consumption. Pruning and maintenance. The fruit garden. The good news is that inside this software is a bundle of information related to organic gardening that you can apply to your garden immediately. You can see and follow all the information from any device. Learn to cultivate vegetables and fruits without additives, and eat healthily. Available only on anafnozy.com.